You know, today we're talking about something that's way more than just a language. It's a key that can open doors you might not even realize are there. So let's dive in and find out why learning English might just be one of the most powerful things you can do in our crazy connected world. Let's just start with a number, a huge number. 1.5 billion. Yeah, that's how many people around the globe speak at least some English. That's almost 1 out of every 5 people on the entire planet. So when you start learning, you're not just memorizing words. You're plugging into this massive global community.
Okay, so that number is big. It's impressive, for sure. But what does it actually mean for you? Like in your life? What doors can this key really unlock? Well, that's exactly what we're about to get into.
All right, first up, let's talk about the big stuff, the really tangible opportunities, the kind of things that can literally change the path of your life and your career. Think of English as a direct path to 3 major game changers. First, better education. I mean, so many of the world's top universities, from Harvard to Cambridge, they teach in English. Then it can totally supercharge your career. English is pretty much the official language for things like aviation, science, and global business. And hey, what about travel? It's your best friend out there, making your trips way easier, safer, and just a whole lot more fun. And it doesn't stop in the real world. English is the key to the entire digital universe. Get this. Over half of all the content on the internet is in English. Just think about that for a second. You can watch movies without subtitles and catch the real emotion. You can read breaking news and the latest research the moment it comes out. You can connect with people from literally every corner of the world on social media. The internet just opens up. So we've covered all the outside benefits, but what about what happens inside your head? Because learning a language isn't just about talking to people, it's honestly one of the best workouts you can possibly give your brain. This is where it gets really cool. Scientists have actually found that bilingual brains are just different. You can develop a stronger memory, you can focus better, and you can even make decisions faster. It boosts your creativity, and you're gonna love this. It can even help keep your brain healthier and sharper as you get older. How amazing is that? And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? Every time you practice, you're not just learning a new word. You're literally building a stronger, more flexible mind. It's like taking your brain to the gym. What a powerful idea. Okay, so beyond the opportunities, beyond the brain power, there's something else, something even deeper that happens. Learning English can actually help you discover a whole new side of yourself. Every little step you take builds your confidence. It could be something super small, like successfully ordering a coffee or finally understanding the lyrics to your favorite song. Each one of those little wins makes you think, hey, I can do this. And that feeling, it's so powerful. And it starts to spill over into every other part of your life. Let's be real, learning a language is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's a journey. And that journey teaches you patience. You learn that real progress doesn't happen overnight. It happens bit by bit, day after day. And that skill, the ability to stick with it and not give up, is one of the most valuable things you can ever learn. You know, when you learn a new language, you don't just learn words. You learn about a new culture, the sense of humor, the traditions, the way people see the world. And this helps you see things from different points of view to connect with people on a much, much deeper level. You start to realize that even if we talk differently, we're all pretty similar at heart. Now, have you ever thought about this? Learning a new language could actually unlock a different part of your personality. It's true. A lot of people find they feel a little different when they speak English. Maybe you're a bit quiet in your native language, but in English you feel braver, maybe a little funnier, or more willing to share your ideas. It gives you the freedom to explore who you are. So, finally, let's talk about the journey itself. Because learning English isn't like a class you take in school and then you're just done. Nope. It's the start of a lifelong adventure. The whole process is this beautiful, continuous cycle. You start, you practice, and with that practice, you grow. But it never really ends. The future is this ongoing adventure of finding new words, understanding new cultures, and making new friends. I mean, even native speakers are always learning new things about their own language. And please remember this because it is so, so important. It's not about being perfect. Nobody is. Everyone makes mistakes. The real goal is to just keep going, to celebrate those small victories, and to actually have fun with the process of becoming this more connected, more capable version of yourself. So, there you have it. Learning English is a key to a world of opportunity, a stronger brain, and even a new you. And the thing is, you're holding that key right now. So the only question left is, which door are you going to open first?